What happens? It is wrong with the message saying that the required zone to field has not been entered. So what's happening here is not communicating with the server, directly telling you from your machine itself. What is happening is that the browser will execute the JavaScript code. The JavaScript code will read the content which you have entered and it will identify that from which is required to get data and will compute them. So that's why you are reducing the load on the server. So the server had to read the form and everything, identify that the field is not filled up and respond to that. So
ಮುಂದೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗೆದು
to make it more interactive, JavaScript. Now, because then